Well, the weather's not perfect today, but it's not raining. Tomorrow's supposed to storm. Let's do another bridge walk today. We haven't crossed a bridge in a while. We got pretty close last time we went over the George Washington Bridge, but we didn't actually cross it. Today, let's go cross it. If you're just finding this channel, I pick out places in New York to go explore, and I take you with me. So let's head uptown to the George Washington Bridge. Let's go. I keep forgetting to say anything, but this is the last year that we're going to have those trains with the orange and yellow seats. After I don't know how many years, they're retiring all of them in 2025. I wonder what cars the queue is going to get next. Out of the subway, 181st Street. Let's walk over to the bridge. All right, we made it to the bridge. We've gotten this far before. In fact, we walked out onto the bridge. That was when we came to check out the ice on the Hudson. Have a look at that episode if you haven't seen it. But this time, let's actually cross it. Another special event about this will be the first time that I leave New York State in one of our episodes. We're going to Jersey. No more ice on the Hudson. It's too warm now. Now we're out on the bridge. We're on the north side walkway, which they finished a couple years ago, I think. They're currently building the south side out. And when they're done with that one, they're gonna make one of them for bikes and the other side for pedestrians. Right now it's bikes and pedestrians on the same side. As I was walking out onto the bridge, I was looking ahead and thinking, oh, it doesn't look that far. Now I just passed the first tower and I'm actually out over the Hudson and it looks pretty far. This is a big bridge. It's bigger than all the other ones we've walked over. The Verrazano is bigger, but we didn't actually walk over that one. There's actually no pedestrian walkway on the Verrazano. The Verrazano is a Robert Moses special. It's all about the cars, baby. So I know there's a park and there are trails on the New Jersey side over in the Palisades, but I haven't actually seen a good map of where those trails are. So we're kind of feeling this out once we get over there. That's all right. I can see a park over there that I hope I can get to, and I hope has bathrooms. The other downside to this walk is we got to walk back. All the other bridges I've been able to take a subway out one way or the other. Not this time. Welcome to New Jersey. I hope they end up making that side the pedestrian side, because that's the side that faces the city. That's the side with the better views. We'll see. See the northern tip of Manhattan over there, up near Spuyten Duyvil. See the Cloisters building sticking up on the hill. We've been there. Check out that episode if you haven't seen it. All right, we're almost to the Jersey side tower. I know there are parks up there over on that side and go all the way down the river. I'm gonna try to stay on this side since I gotta walk back. This may not work. From what people wrote on the internet, it said right after you got off the bridge, there was a staircase that went down into that park area. It does not appear to be the case. So I'll follow this for a minute and see. I don't know. All right, this is promising. There's the bridge. This isn't exactly where I wanted to go though, so I guess we'll walk that way a little bit and see what else we find. Again, don't have a whole lot of time, but we can keep going a bit. If you look really closely right under the Manhattan side tower, you can see the little red lighthouse. I went off trail to get over here to see things, and now I'm in the middle of a thicket of thorns. So there's that. I think I found the way out. Don't jump, LOL. I'm not sure why that's an LOL. That's a big drop though. So we're here in the New Jersey Palisades, which are basically a sheer cliff that goes down to the Hudson. It's a pretty incredible view though. That's the park that I wanted to get to, but it's not looking like it really wants pedestrians to be able to get from up here down there easily. We maybe would have had to go the other way. Couldn't find a lot of information about this online though. I think we'll just enjoy the upper part of the Palisades here and then head back. Well, that's a nice little viewing spot. It was a good pause to enjoy the view. The sun's kind of coming out now, and we're in that in-between temperature where it was chilly this morning, and now it's getting warmer, and I'm wearing a heavy jacket. Tomorrow's supposed to be pretty warm, but very rainy. All right, I think I might be done, and it may be time to walk back. I'm gonna walk in a little bit further here. There's a trail sign up here. Let's see what it says. Well, there it is, literally 10 feet from the overlook that I was just standing at over there. So this goes down. I guess I'll go down for a few minutes and see where it takes me. I know I'm gonna have to come back up though, that's the bad part. This is crazy. These are not stairs, these are steps. They are very uneven and very steep. This is a pretty cool trail, actually. It's a steep descent, though. I made it down this far. There's like a picnic area or something out there, but the trail keeps going down and under the road. Look at this craziness. This is cool. So it looks like it keeps going down and over to the path that's by the river. I have to keep telling myself, I have to walk back. I have to walk back. Well, that was a pretty cool path. Unfortunately, I have to walk back up all those steps now. We are all the way up there. All right, I think I've got to start heading back. I don't want to climb all those stairs, but I get to. It's a big bridge too. On top of dealing with all the stairs, I just looked at the temperature. That's almost 50 now. It was like 38 when I started. This jacket is way too heavy. Good times. I made it back up. All right. I mean, I'm not that out of shape. I just ran a half marathon a couple weeks ago. But stairs are a different story. All right, let's walk our way back out of here. My sleeves rolled up. I'm still sweating. Whew. I didn't think I was going hiking today. That was pretty fun. I mean, I still got a ways to go to get home, but nice little outing. Thanks, New Jersey. All right, back onto the bridge. I wasn't paying attention last time. This time I'm going to time it, see how long it actually takes to walk across the bridge. I'll let you know. That's where we just were, up in there. All right, gotta keep moving. Welcome to New York. All right, 15 minutes, which at my walking pace is just about a mile, give or take. That's a long bridge. Speaking of long bridges, George Washington Bridge is the only major bridge across the Hudson between New York and New Jersey, and they had to wait until they developed bridge technology good enough to be able to span the Hudson River. Originally, they were going to cover the towers with something like stone, but then they decided to leave them uncovered because it has a nice industrial metal look to it. That, and it would save a lot of time and money when they built it. But it's nice. I'll tell you, I really enjoy going on all these adventures. Most of them I go into having no real expectation of what it's going to be like today. And the really fun ones are the ones like today that just surprise you. I didn't know I was going to go climbing through the Palisades. It was fun. All right, the map says there's a subway and bus method that's going to be the fastest, so we'll do that. I'm back up to the east side after a nice little hiking trip across the George Washington Bridge through the Palisades of New Jersey. Good times. If you're just finding this channel, be sure to check out all the rest of the episodes already available up to the east side on YouTube. Like and subscribe, tell your friends, and look for new episodes every Friday. Thanks for coming with me as I explore New York City. I'll see you next time.